Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNN Live. We're coming to you live from the 2011 Silver Summit Conference in the Davenport Hotel in lovely downtown Spokane, Washington. I have Lenic Rodriguez of the Aurcana Corporation. Symbol of its public company is AUN on the TSX Venture Exchange. Welcome to SNN Live.
Thank you very much. Appreciate being here.
Okay, now I want you to tell the audience about your company.
Sure. Aurcana Corporation is a silver producer with one mine operating in Mexico that we acquired from Peñoles. At the time was one of their main mines. And another mine, the Shafter Silver Mine in Texas, which is the second largest silver mine in the U.S., 14th largest in the world, and that we are trying to put into production early next year.
Wow. What's the size of the reserve?
The resources there in all categories are close to 15 million ounces, and we shall be producing at a rate of 3.8 million ounces starting next year. That should put Aurcana as a mid-tier silver producer with combined production of both mines of over 5 million silver ounces.
Well, I would have to say you get A for good timing.
I would say you're right.
I mean, the talk of this conference, but not only this conference, the talk of a lot of conferences in the resource world are all describing the price of silver going higher. Do you agree with that statement?
I agree totally, especially after hearing some of the speakers that they do have much better knowledge than I do about the silver metal. But definitely new uses are being found every day, and the numbers really don't add up, the demand against the supply. So something is happening in the market. Obviously, we think that silver is going to go much higher.
Well, people are collecting it. People are hoarding it. People are buying it in size and taking delivery. That's a very large trend. How does that trend help your company?
Well, obviously it's part of the demand equation, and but that's just part of the equation. I mean, there's lots of new industrial uses in biomedicine, all solar panels, all electronics, so every one of us is carrying some silver within our own clothing. Now,
what is your background?
I was raised and educated in Mexico. I got a business degree with honors, magna cum laude, as well as a master in science from the Jesuit University in Mexico, one of the top universities there.
So you're a brilliant geologist?
I'm not a geologist. I am a businessman.
Well, you need both. So I'm sure I'm sure you've got great talent in the company. Tell me some of the talent you have in the company.
Oh, definitely. We have a very good combination of business people in our directorship, as well as technical talent. Andy Nichols, our VP of Operations, was head of engineering for Wardrop Engineering. Ken Collison, one of our technical advisors, as well as director, was the chief operating officer at Thompson Creek Mines, very large open pit molybdenum mines. We have also in our board Paul Matajcek, who was the CEO of Potash One and has been involved with several other mining ventures. And on the business side, well, Bob Tweedy, who is on the board of several financial institutions, including Dundee, Reed, Transamerica, better known in the U.S., and one of our original investors with me, Adrian Aguirre, whose family controls the largest radio network in Mexico. So we have this good combination of business expertise and technical talent.
Thank you for answering that question. How many hectares do you control?
Well, we control in terms of hectares at La Negra close to 30 square kilometers. Okay, but our operations are concentrated close to the portal. The mill is only 900 meters away from the portal. And in Shafter, we control both the surface rights as well as the mineral rights, which is very important. That means that if we want to start drilling, which we are going to start drilling at Shafter, we won't even need a permit. We own the surface and the mineral rights, and the surface area at Shafter is considerable, about 30 square kilometers as well.
So, what is your website?
Aurcana.com.
Aurcana.com. AURCANA.com. Ladies and gentlemen, Lenic Rodriguez of Aurcana Corporation, AUN on the TSX-V. I will shake your hand again.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for coming on to SNN Live.
I appreciate it.